So in this video, we are going to be showing you how to replace a battery for your PlayStation 5 controller. Should be a quick one. Let's get started. So here is the controller. All we're going to be doing is removing this black bezel, popping these two buttons off, removing the back cover, and swapping out batteries. That's it. Let's get it. You need a screwdriver and a pick. Any pick really works. You just need to find the right spot to shove that pick in. Right here. Pop that corner off. Pop this corner off. Once you have these two corners off, you can kind of stop prying. You need to be careful. You don't want to break the plastic. Lift and then pull. Easy peasy. Pop these two guys off. I like to use something that's plastic, just like this. First button, second button. Just pop them right up. Next, two screws at the top. And 3 screw. Got one more screw, folks. 4 screws it is. Grab your blue pick. If it's not blue, you cannot do this job. It needs to be blue. Hopefully somebody understands this humor, honestly, because people on YouTube sometimes, y'all are way too literal on YouTube. I responded with a sarcastic comment on one of my recent videos. Woo! Don't accept sarcasm. Pop these 2 clips. 1, 2. This is probably the most difficult part of this job, is just removing of the back cover. Okay, once you get that going, kind of want to pull up and push up, or pull towards you and push up. We made it to the battery. Battery is right here. You need to unplug that battery so you can just lift up the battery. You can grab either pliers, or I like to use my 2 fingers. I try to push them as close as I can get. So like right here, and I just wiggle left and right and pull up at the same time. Comes right off. That's the battery. Replacement battery. Remember orientation. So those gold pins that you see right here should be facing your chest, basically. Use a gold pin facing my chest. And does it fit? It did fit. I'm just tripping. Battery's installed. There's adhesive. Do I want to use this adhesive? This doesn't have it. Oh man, that would be annoying for a technician to fix this in the future. So no, we're not gonna use that adhesive. Tuck in the cable and look, it's on. So it tells you it's working. You know what? Let's use the adhesive just in case. The original did not have the adhesive. I'm not a fan of it because the next person working on this is gonna find a lot of hardship opening this up. And let's put this back. Close it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are almost done, folks. We're at the finish line. I have a video for why I hate repairing these. You guys should watch it. You'll see a lot of reasons to why I hate repairing them. Stick drift to be exact. Now let's pop the R1. Should I mess with the customer and pop it in his L1 side? If you have it in the wrong orientation, it won't, believe it or not. Oh, my sarcasm is really...
It's almost frightening.
Good. Lastly is this black piece right here. So what you want to do is these 2 corners, you want to put them in first. So like that. Angle once they're kind of in, push it a little bit more. Good. Done. Easy peasy. So if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know down below if this worked with you or if this video helped you or not. Peace. We'll see you guys on the next one.